Hey everybody, welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. Before we get into things, let's go ahead and review the exercise. Alright, so we've got more triads for you, and for the most part we do really focus on major and minor triads specifically. And these shapes will really help open up the neck for you because there's only so many you can create and they're extremely movable. The more you practice these triad inversions, the more you'll understand the movability and the more you'll recognize the important role they play in unlocking the neck. In this exercise, we're playing all of the major and minor triad inversions on the 5-4-3 string set. And not only do these triad inversions help unlock the neck and get us a little more familiar with music theory, they also just provide great chord shapes that are extremely applicable. Try to go through this at a pace that allows you to play every note super clean and super clear. And not to get too woo-woo with it or anything, but that is going to help really develop the connection between you and the instrument. Once you've gone through the exercise or mess with the triads for about 5 to 10 minutes, go ahead and move on to all of the other songs and solos you want to learn, and we'll see you next time.